In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose System and Update. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. From here, select Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options. Then tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it instead by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Lastly, manage key borders, choose Apply and go back. As you can see, this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on it and tap on this bin icon next to it. Then choose OK. You can also edit it by tapping on it, tapping on this pen one, and making your changes. Then click on Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!